Hi everyone, welcome to the Atmos Reddit.
I'm Alli, Pilates expert, and I'm here today with Emilie, and we are in Aloha and Helena, Montana. And we're going to bring you a classical basic mat with some back extension and lateral flexion just to add on to the goodness. All right, Emilie, let's go ahead and lie on our back. Let's keep our feet down today. Heels together, toes apart. Your knees are slightly open about the width of your armpits. You're going to roll your head up and look at your stomach and start pumping your arms vigorously. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 20. Keep going as I talk. You really want to pull the stomach in and up, reaching the tailbone nice and long and firm into the mat, and just letting your arms pump up and down above the hips and down. You've got it. Nice deep breathing. Good. Taking big deep breaths in and big breaths out. We're going to do 3 more sets. Inhaling for 5 and exhale for 5. Again, inhale and exhale. Good. Let's reach your legs out long. Reach your arms back by your ears, Pilates stance, squeeze the whole leg and roll up and reach for your toes. If you cannot roll up all the way at home, you just roll up as far as you can and roll back. Good, Emilie. We'll do 5 of these. We have 4 more. Squeezing the legs, squeeze your bottom as you roll up and lift up off your seat. As you stretch forward, pull your waist back, easy shoulders and neck, and roll back. Good. 3 more. Roll it up. Reach forward, shoulders in your back, and roll back. 2 more. Really pull the stomach back and reach and go back. Now stay here. Really stretch your fingers and toes long away from each other and roll up as long as you can. Good. Roll back to the mat. Arms by your sides. Press your arms firmly into the floor. Lift your right leg straight up above you. Go ahead and we're going to do small leg circles. You're going to cross towards your opposite shoulder, around and up 1. Make it a little smaller. And 2. Pushing your arms firmly in the mat. 3. 4, you pause at the top. And 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, use your stomach to circle the leg. And 1, bring that leg down. Bring the other leg up. Neck and shoulders easy. Cross the body up and around towards the opposite shoulder. And around. If you had a pencil on your foot, you'd be drawing me a nice even circle on that ceiling if possible. Keep reaching your leg on the floor long, and after 5, go ahead and reverse. And let's go. Around up 1, scoop the stomach. 2, 3, 4, 5, and bring the leg down and give me another full roll up. If you can't do a full roll up, just rock yourself up to a seated position. Good. Bend your knees into your chest. Make sure you have enough room there. Grab the front of your ankles or as low down the front of your leg as you can. Now, if you have any issues in your back or your knees, you can always put your hands on the back of your thighs, on your hamstrings. Can you show that, Emilie, real quick? So you can always hold here. If being in a tiny ball shape does not feel good to you, you can also take your knees out really wide here. So show what that looks like. So you're more like open and the knees are open, and you can really grab the front of the leg or the back of the leg here. Emilie's going to take her knees in towards her. So you have your options. Roll back, roll up. Let's just do this 4 times. Backing up 1. Try and keep your head in. Try and not touch the floor. That's the hard part. Stay off the back of the sit bones. 1 more time. Good. Now put your feet down and put your hands on the back of your legs and just slowly roll down the back of the mat. Good. Bend your knees into your chest. Grab for your ankles. Roll your head up and look at your stomach. Reach your right leg long. Let's put your outside left hand on your left ankle and the other hand right around your shin area. You're going to pull your knee into your chest and switch. Pull, switch. Pull, switch. Squeeze your bottom on your long leg. Pull, switch. 1 leg is bent, 1 leg is straight. 1 more each side. We'll do 1 more set. Left and then right. Bring both knees in. Rest your head. Good. Put your feet on the floor. Go to Pilates stance. Walk your feet towards your bottom a little more. Good. Put your hands on the sides of your legs. Roll your head up and look at your stomach and reach your hands up a little higher. We're just going to do the arms for double leg stretch today. Inhale, bring your arms back. Exhale, circle your arms around and scoop. Continue to go. How high should you lift off the mat with your upper stomach? You should not come off the base of your shoulder blades. Reach back, inhale, circle around. Now bend your knees into your chest. Grab your ankles, really pull your knees in. Your knees are armpit distance apart, heels together, toes apart. Reach your arms and legs out away from each other. Circle around and reach. Grab your ankles. One more time. Reach out, circle around, and just rock yourself up to a seated position for spine stretch forward. If you have any tight back or hip issues at home, you can sit on a pillow for this. You're going to take your feet the width of your mat or a little wider is fine. Lift your arms up like shoulder height, 90 degrees, and shoulders are right over the hips. Squeeze your bottom to lift up off your hips. Roll your head down the front of your body. Stretch your arms forward and pull your waist back. You can stretch as far forward as you want. Just don't come off your sit bones. And roll your bottom under a little bit. Stack up your spine like you're stacking up a wall. Lift your waist tall. Roll your head down. Stretch forward. Really reach, bottom under a little bit, pull your ribs back into your stomach and roll up. We'll do one more time. Really tall. Lift your chin a little more, long neck, and then roll your chin toward your chest. Pull your waist back. Now this time, how far can you stretch? Let it all go. Go forward, go forward. If you want, you can grab your arches of your feet and pull yourself forward, bend your elbows wide to the side. The goal is to get your head on the mat, but don't worry if you're not there today. Good. Coming up, let's go onto your stomach for me. We're going to have you put your hands under your armpits, forehead on the mat. Take your hands just a little wider now that they're under the armpits. Take them a little wider to the edges of your mat. Go ahead and lengthen your neck. Pick your head and upper back up and just lift your bottom rib. And then go back down. Let's do that again. One more time. Lengthen and lift. Good. Now, if it feels better to go higher, push all the way up and get a big stretch. Turn your head to the right. Circle your head down and around to the left. Look forward to the left, down and around to the right. Look forward, lower yourself down and sit back into your resting position, which I call a shell stretch. Now stay here and reach your arms really long. If for some reason this bothers you, then just stand up. And you will have you just roll down and reach for your toes if you have any issues there in your shell stretch position. And then we'll finish standing with a standing side flexion exercise called the mermaid. Pilates stance, arms by your sides. Lift your right arm up to the sky. Lift up and over and side bend. Pick it up really tall. Take your other side. Lift. Lengthen over. Good. Even weight on both sides of your feet. One more each way. Bring that arm down. Pick it up tall. Take that tallness with you. Keep your head on top of your spine, your bottom under, and your chest up. And last time. One more. Lift up and over. Pick it up. And relax. Nice work.
We hope you have a great day.